Welcome back. In this section, we're going to learn about Lambda expressions. Lambda expressions in Kotlin are a concise way to define anonymous functions. They are often used for passing functions as arguments, defining small inline functions, and making code more readable and expressive. Lambda expressions are a fundamental feature of functional programming in Kotlin. I'll start with the first type of Lambda expressions, which is the basic Lambda expression. A basic Lambda expression in Kotlin is a concise way to define anonymous functions with a simple structure. The basic syntax of a Lambda expression is parameters body, separated with this arrow and enclosed with these curly braces. The curly braces denote the start of the Lambda expression. Parameters, these are the input parameters that a Lambda expression can accept. The parameters are specified in the form of parameter list separated by commas. You can have 0 or more parameters. The arrow operator separates the parameter list from the body of the Lambda expression, and the body, this is the actual code or expression that the Lambda expression will execute. It's enclosed in the Lambda's curly braces. Lambda expressions can be assigned to variables or passed as arguments to functions. They are commonly used with higher order functions like map, filter for each, and etc., where a function is expected as an argument. Let's start with a simple example of a basic Lambda expression that adds two numbers. Val add integer, its returning type is int, equals to a, b gives us a plus b. In this example, we defined a Lambda expression that takes two integer parameters, a and b, and return the sum of a and b as an integer. These are the parameters, and this is the body of the Lambda expression separated by the arrow. The body of the Lambda expression calculates the sum of a and b. The Lambda expression is assigned and can be assigned to a variable. So for example, val result equals to add, and here I can pass 5 and 3. And the add, which is a variable that this Lambda expression is assigned to it, indicates that the two parameters are of type integer, and the body and the returning type of the body calculations will be an integer. Here in the result, I'm calling the add Lambda with arguments 5 and 3 to compute and print the result. So if I print ln result, I can get 8 as a result. And here we go. So this is, instead of creating a new function, taking it to the parameter a and b of type int, and the returning type should be a plus b. This is a Lambda expression. It's very simple that can do the job. Basic Lambda expressions are a fundamental building block in Kotlin for functional programming and are used to make your code more concise and expressive, especially when working with collections and higher order functions.